Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, we will learn how to spell check in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. First, open your Excel worksheet and select the data you want to check. Navigate to the Review tab and click on Spelling. Excel will start checking your worksheet for spelling errors. As Excel finds potential spelling errors, it will highlight them and provide suggestions. Review each suggestion and click Change to correct the spelling. Continue the process until Excel completes the spell check and notifies you that it's finished. That's it. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.